Hello and welcome to Monday night's forecast from the Met Office. A noisy one to come for northern and western Britain with frequent showers along with a strong wind, and it will feel chilly in most parts of the country. Not particularly frosty because of the weather going on, but plenty of cold air wrapped up in this low pressure and the strong wind bringing areas of cloud and outbreaks of rain as well as hill snow to Scotland. Now for the north of Scotland, western Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland as well as Irish Sea coasts, that wind will reach gale force at times overnight, and it will bring in frequent showers, particularly in the north and the west of Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, to more persistent rain for Northern Ireland into north of England by the end of the night. Either side of that, a few breaks in the cloud, a touch of frost perhaps in some sheltered spots, a few icy patches for parts of Scotland at times through the night. But it's the wet weather that is of most concern overnight and into the start of Tuesday. You can see some persistent rain pushing into the South Pennines. That's where a yellow warning is enforced because we don't want any more rainfall in that part of the world, risk of localised flooding. The rainfall, though, does ease. It peters out, it slips south, generally showery across parts of Wales into the Midlands, East Anglia. A few flakes of snow over the Welsh mountains, as well as the Scottish mountains in any showers that are coming into the north and the northeast. But actually, it turns more showery through the day, and although there's a lot of cloud cover as we end Tuesday, there's also a lot of dry weather around. Feeling cold in that wind, but the wind does ease into Tuesday evening. The cloud increasingly breaks up, and under clear skies for Scotland, northern England, and for much of central and eastern England, a frost forms. A particularly chilly start for parts of Scotland Wednesday morning. Temperatures hovering around freezing further south, and a dry start, plenty of sunshine before the next system moves in, this sliding down the edge of a large area of high pressure in the Atlantic. It's coming in from a cold direction once again, but it's bringing outbreaks of rain and a strengthening wind to western Britain by the end of Wednesday. Most places, though, are dry and bright to start off Wednesday, and it stays that way for Scotland, for central and eastern England into the afternoon. Further west, showers for western Scotland, Northern Ireland, Irish Sea coast, Wales, the southwest of England, and then it turns to more persistent wet weather as well as a strengthening wind by the end of Wednesday. That rain then, a key feature of our weather as we close out the week. Watch what happens as we head into Wednesday night and Thursday with this weather front. Still some uncertainty in terms of its position, but it's likely to become slow moving. And it's bringing a narrow band of heavy and persistent rainfall. So wherever that ends up across saturated parts of England and Wales, well, it's not going to be welcome. But still some uncertainty in terms of exactly where it will end up. A yellow warning enforced for parts of England and Wales. And it's across those areas that are already experiencing ongoing flooding where we really don't want that rainfall. And so it's certainly worth paying attention to this over the next few days. You can head to the Met Office website to see the latest weather warnings, and you can follow us on social media where we'll keep you updated with all the latest. Bye-bye.